All of you, keep going.
Yes, Amit, where are you going?
I am going to Sarpanch.
I am also going to him. Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Hey bhaiya, wait. Where are you going? I also want to go. Let us.
Namaste, namaste. Be seated, all of you. Now tell me, how can I help you?
अंकुश सर
Sarpanch. Sarpanch, I am from Ragopur village. There is a lot of scarcity of water in our village. Water scarcity. 2 years ago, I provided 10 hand pipes, but nowadays, out of 10, 6 are out of water. Okay, I will look into the matter. Don't worry.
Sarpanji, in our village we are having the problem of communication and others. Roads are completely damaged and we always get scared of mishappenings like road accident. And students often get late for their school.
Oh, in your village there is a road problem. Okay, I will look into the matter. You don't worry.
Sarpanji, it is the matter of great displeasure that the condition of the school is not still good.
What happened?
The government has appointed 8 teachers in our village school, but there is 3 or 4 teachers can be seen. And also there is a problem of great day meal that is not regular. Sarpanji, how can we go ahead towards development if education is not given properly?
Oh, it is a great problem. Don't worry, without delay, I will try to solve this problem as soon as possible.
Good morning, DPS family. I am Gautam Kumar of Standard 10th. As you can see, how Sarpanch listens to the problems of the villagers. This is Panchayati Raj. Let me tell you about Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj is the system of self-government of local villages in rural India as opposed to urban and suburban municipalities. The head of the Panchayati Raj is Sarpanch, assisted by Panch.
घर जाइए ना थोड़ा सा
Good morning, DPS family. I am Utkarsh of Standard 8. Today I am here to tell you about the scene. Now, Gautam may have told you that it is the Panchayati Raj. Now, let me tell you about the aim of Panchayati Raj. Its aim is to provide the local self-government in district zones, village, etc. Sometimes it solves the mutual amenities, some local problems which could not be lead to the government.
Good morning DPS family, I am Kamini from Standard 9 and let me annex some more information about Panchayati Raj. Do you know who is the father of Panchayati Raj institution? So yes, he was Balwant Rai Mehta, who was an Indian politician and was the second Chief Minister of Gujarat. He realized that it was impossible to look after the governance of local people apparently from the center. So he gave the idea of Panchayati Raj where the problems of each individual can be looked after and solved properly.
Good morning DPS family. I am Amrita from Standard 8. I want to add something about Panchayati Raj. Do you know who implemented the system of Panchayati Raj throughout the country? Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, introduced Panchayati Raj on 2nd October 1959 at Nagaur at Rajasthan, and at present this system is almost in every state.
About Panchayati Raj.
क्या बोल रहे हैं भैया, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
मतलब पंचायती राज आपको कैसा लगता है?
बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे ही बोलिए ना भैया, बहुत बढ़िया लगता है. पहले छोटा छोटा समस्या को लेके हमको शहर जाना पड़ता था, लेकिन अब सारा समस्या तो गांव में ही सुलझ जाता है.
मतलब पंचायती राज अच्छा लग रहा है ना?
बहुत बढ़िया भाई.
अरे इतने तो नहीं, हमें पंचायती राज में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पंचायती
अरे भैया रुकिए.
बोलिए भैया.
आजकल सुन रहे गाँव में कोई राज चल रहा है.
पंचायती राज
वो क्या होता है?
इसमें सब समस्या का हल गांव में ही मिल जाता है.
कैसे?
जब पहले तो बहुत दिक्कत होता था कि कोई परेशानी आती थी तो शहर जाना पड़ता था, लेकिन अब ये सब गांव में ही मिल जाता है. गांव में बैंक, यहाँ तक कि सरकारी अस्पताल भी मिल जाता है. यहाँ तक कि हमें सरकारी विद्यालय भी मिल जाता है जहाँ मेरा बटवा भी पड़ता है. बटवा
about Panchayati Raj. I hope you enjoy it, right? Yes, sir. So big round of applause for the actors. And I would like to invite our principal in charge sir to drop few words of inspiration before the students, please sir.
Pleasant morning
Good morning to my respected chairman, sir, my academic in charge, and my all colleagues, and my beloved students. A really remarkable presentation. We are the teachers. Cannot expect within 2 or 3 hours practice because the examination is going on. Saturday was holiday, but Saturday we are celebrating another quiz contest and dance competition, and after that on Sunday within few hours preparation the teachers who are presented. It's really great day. The key resources of this person, obviously your beloved and respected Sumit sir, is the key person to introduce this cue and points to elaborate how to explain. He will guide it, and the best and not the least of the ever, he is Raj sir, is the creator, director and everything. For his full guidance, it will be presented. We are just sharing very good moments. Shivam as a Panchayati Raj, Panchayat, and especially the accent from class 9, Kamini. Really nice presentation. Thank you. And further, we encourage to all participants to make a very good and presentable day for us, also for our future memory. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. Now I would like to request all the participants of the dance made on the topic Panchayati Raj. So the topic related to the Panchayati Raj, please come on the stage and just perform yourself what is Panchayati Raj.
पंचायती राज की खास बात लक्ष्य इसका ग्राम विकास जिसमें होती है सबकी भागीदारी।
पंचायती राज की खास बात लक्ष्य इसका ग्राम विकास निभाते सभी अपनी जिम्मेदारी।
क्या है जरूरी गांव के लिए मिलकर ये सब तय करें।
स्वास्थ्य शिक्षा और रोजगार, साफ सफाई शौचालय निर्माण,
सड़क सिंचाई बिजली पानी सबको मिले तो हो आसानी।
अरे भैया पर ये सब हो कैसे?
पंचायती राज की खास बात लक्ष्य इसका ग्राम विकास जिसमें होती है सबकी भागीदारी।